Start. Hello, Eurovision fans all over the world from Athens, where I'm gonna do a reaction video, but it is a different reaction, a reaction that it is missing from all the reactions I have watched, which I loved and I really enjoyed, and it is a reaction that it does not pretend that Eurovision is not political, and it does not pretend that Eurovision has not banned yet the genocidal Israel and rapist paradise Israel, the Israel which is behind the international sex, human trafficking and farming that has horrified us the past 2 and more weeks. I am grateful to the 5 countries that this year, 2026, are boycotting actively Eurovision by not participating: Spain, the Netherlands, Ireland, Iceland, and Slovenia. And I wish Greece did the same. But Greece did not do the same, as it is a political supporter of the genocide, sadly. This is a different protest. It's a protest within.